friends, welcome back to my channel and I hope everything is going great with you all. I'm back with yet another makeup tutorial. This is the look I'm gonna show you today. This is for the green theme Navratri look. If you wanna know how I created this, then keep on watching. Today I will be showing you the green smoky eye look, which I haven't decided what type of eye look I'm gonna do, but let's see how it turns out to be. Without wasting any time further, let's get started. So first of all, here I am applying my sun coat, that is the sunscreen lotion, all over my face and neck. Now I will be applying my moisturizer, that is the chia seed moisturizer from the Face Shop. I'm just pressing it into my skin so that my skin absorbs the moisturizer. We will be doing our eye makeup first. That's why I'm going to apply the sellotape to get that sharp edge and nicely winged eyeliner, and this becomes easy to apply the eyeshadow, so that's why I'm applying here the sellotape. To prime my eyelids, here I am using the concealer from Maybelline, that is the eye eraser concealer, all over my eyelid. And I am blending it with my wet beauty blender. And to set the concealer, I am using my REMEL powder in the shade MOHAIR. For today's look, the palette I'm going to use is this, which is my first ever palette when I started doing makeup, so I bought this one. So I'm going to take this color, that is a light green color from the palette, and directly apply it in my crease. Not exactly in the crease, but just a little above from the crease. This will act as the transition. And now I will be applying this darker green shade from the palette in my crease. And now with the help of fluffy brush, I'm just blending the two colors. To darken up the outer corner of my eyes, I'm going to take the darkest green, that is the bottle green from the palette, and apply it right at the corner of my eyes. To make it more dark at the outer corner of my eyes, I'm going to use the black eyeshadow from the palette a little bit and apply it right at the outer corner of my eyes. Now for the center of my eyelids, I'm going to use the pigments from Faces Canada, and the pigment is this color green. Should I use this or should I use this? Yeah, I will be using this from Faces Canada, and it is going to run heavily now. To line my eyelids, I'm using the L'Oreal Black Gel Eyeliner, and I'm gonna do a wing liner, my favorite. Now let's take out the sellotape to see how sharp it is. For mascara, I'm again using my Maybelline's Hypercurl Volume Express Mascara. And I will be back after applying my falsies. And now I am back after applying my falsies. Now let's move to the base makeup. As you know, we have already applied our sunscreen lotion and moisturizer, so I am straightly moving to the primer. So the foundation I'm using is Maybelline's Fit Me foundation, and it's in the shade 125 Nude Beige, and I will be applying it. With my wet beauty blender. Concealer, again I'm using my Maybelline's Eye Eraser Concealer under my eye area, my chin, cupid's bow, nose and forehead. For contouring, I'm using the stick from Focalier and it's in the shade Coffee, and I have applied it in my usual places like below my cheekbones, my jawline and sides of the nose. And here I am blending it with my angled fluffy brush. And now I am blending my concealer, the same WAILD Beauty blender. To set the concealer, I am using my same REMEL's Stay powder just at the places we have applied concealer, also to the neck. To bronze my face, here I am using Makeup Revolution Linden's bronzer in the shade Bronzer Kiss. For blush, again I am using my blush stick from Chambord and it's in the shade Crimson, and I'm gonna apply it with my blush brush. Smile please. Little bit in my chin, and if you feel it's too much, then take your WAILD Beauty blender and just dab it on so that it will take away all the excess product. I'm taking the green eyeshadow from Wet n Wild and just using this to smoke out my lower lash line. For tightlining my lower waterline, I'm using the golden eye pencil. I'm going to apply the mascara in my lower lash lines. For highlighter, I'm using the palette Lemonade Grace from Maybelline, and I'm going to use this color right here, that is the Main Squeeze. It's nice golden, and I'm gonna apply it right on my cheekbone, under my brow bone, my cupid's bow, little bit on my chin, of my nose, and bridge of my neck. And with the smaller brush, the same eyeshadow I'm gonna apply in my tear duct area as well. For the lips, I want to paint it pink, a little bit light pink. But before that, I'm going to apply a lip liner of the same color all over my lips. And now the lipstick. Look for the green theme Navratri look, and I'm wearing a typical Garba dress which is green in color, obviously because it's a green theme. I have kept my hair open, but if you want you can tie your hair, you can also do a bun or half do, or you can also do a braid. I'm just wearing one necklace but lots of bangles because I love bangles. If you like the look, then please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. You can also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook, and the links I will be giving in the description box below, so do check it. And you can also tell if you are going for Garba or you like doing Garba, then to comment in the comment section. And yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, bye.